Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we having week second assignment 2 of Joy of Python programming. So in this week or in this video I'm going to provide you the solution of whole week, and after the week second I will upload the week's third video. So be consistent on my channel and please subscribe and hit the like button of this video and continue the watching. The first question is, it is totally a scenario based. So first you have to read the whole scenario, and after that the first question: why does the registration kiosk ask each student to uh, enter their name? So the solution is to personalize the welcome message and partner participation slip. Then, a student first enters their age as 15 but later realizes it should be 16 and updates it before the participation slip is printed. Which age will appear on the slip? So, the slip will be appear on 16. Then we having third question: computer displays a greeting that includes the student's name without asking for it again. How is this possible? So the answer is the name is stored and refused whenever needed during the program. Then fourth question: a student accidentally enter the name Ria instead of Dia before the participation slip is printed. The mistake is corrected. What is the most likely outcome? So most likely outcome, the slip will show Dia. It means the third option is correct. Why is it useful for the program to store information like a student's name and age? It allows the same information to used multiple times without asking the student. Yes. In scenario second, ordering food at a school cafeteria. So we having a some code here, and the question sixth is, which line collects the name of the customer? So line 1, print welcome to the school cafeteria, customer input, enter your name. So actually in line 2, because कस्टमर इनपुट करना में एंटर योर नेम, सो यहाँ पे हम कस्टमर की इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद की लाइंस में क्या वो ऑर्डर कर रहा है और थैंक यू मैसेज. ठीक है. सो अ स्टूडेंट इनिशियली एंटर सैंडविच एज अ फूड आइटम. व्हाट विल डिस्प्लेड इन लाइन 7? सो लाइन 7 में क्या डिस्प्लेड होगा? सो लाइन 7 में डिस्प्लेड होगा पास्ता, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑर्डर पास्ता लिखा है इसलिए. ठीक है. देन एट पॉइंट, which variable stored the name of customer throughout the program? So customer. Then ninth one, if the customer enters Neha as the name, what will be displayed in line 8? Thank you for your order, Neha. Second option is correct. Why is the variable order update in line 6 instead of creating another variable? So for this answer is, a variable can only store one value at a time and the latest value replace the previous one. It means option A is correct. Then scenario second, online bookstore checkout. Uh, you can read this by your own. And the question 11th, why does program convert the customer enterprise into a number before calculating the discount? So in this, to allow mathematical operation such as multiplication. So option second is correct. Okay. Then 12th question, a customer enter the price of book 800 after applying 10% discount. What amount should the customer pay? So customer have to pay 720. During test, a developer forgets to convert the entered price into a number before performing calculation. What is most likely outcome? Calculation may fail or produce unexpected result. The discount become 20% automatically. The program permanently deletes the input. Python automatically fixes the mistake. So in this option, the calculation may fail or produce. Option A is correct. Then another developer accidentally removes the required colon from the Python statement. What is most likely result? So in this option one, oh sorry, Python will report a syntax error. Then which of the following statement are correct about bookstore discount program? So in this, user input often converted into number before performing arithmetic calculation. Yes, option one is correct. Then Python requires correct syntax and indentation to run a properly. Yes, a 10% discount means the customer pays 90% of original price. Yes, so option 1 to 3 are correct. Then in scenario, there are again some code, piece of code, piece of code. Okay, what is displayed first when the program starts? So in this, morning exercise begin. Then the teacher enter 1 3 times, then enter 0. Which exercise number will be displayed? So 1 2 3 4, option B is correct. Which statement about the program are correct? The value of count increases by 1 during each repetition. uh, in this, the option 1 2 3 are correct. 1 2 3. Then in 19th, which is a while loop used in this program because the number of repetition depends on the teacher's choice? Option A is correct. Then 20. Which of the following statement correctly compare for loops and while loops? So for loops and while loops, option 1 is correct because number of repetitions is known in advance. Then a while loop continues. Then the option both for while or for and while loops are used to repeat tasks. Then for this video, we have done the week second whole solutions. So for the next week third video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. And if you really like the video, please subscribe because I have seen some old viewers didn't subscribe the channel. So it's just like a motivation if you subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.